Here are 6 of many red flags that make immigration assume that your marriage is not real. Number 1, the types of pictures you send. If you are sending pictures of just selfies, you and your spouse making out in bed, and there's no one ever involved in the pictures, those are red flags. If you have a genuine marriage, they want to see pictures of you doing life together with other family members and friends. Number 2, you obtain joint bona fides after your interview has been scheduled, i.e. you never had a bank account, and then all of a sudden your interview is scheduled and then you didn't have a bank account, i.e. your spouse has a social security number and you never get a lease together until your interview is scheduled. So things like that, you definitely want to do that well before your interview has been scheduled. Number 3, having driver's licenses with different addresses. Yes, many people don't change their driver's license because of the inconvenience of going to DMV, but understand that when you are dealing with immigration, it is important to do things that you would not normally like to do, which is a husband and wife, or wife and wife, and husband and husband having the same address. Number 4, car insurance with only one person listed and no joint drivers, especially if both of you do drive and the other person has an EAD and a social security number and can be on that car insurance. Typically, they will ask that person for their own car insurance or their own driver's license, which you normally would give to find out how they're driving or how they're getting around. Number 5, a huge age gap. If there's a huge age gap between you and your spouse, those typically tend to be a red flag. Number 6, quick marriages. So what that means is either your marriage happens really, really quickly post-divorce, really, really quickly once you enter into the U.S., or you've just met each other. Again, all these are just red flags. This does not mean that your case will be denied, but it just means that they will be taking a further look at your case and potentially interviewing you to make sure that your marriage is genuine. If you have any other questions, call our office, 407-995-6567. Bye.